called Under the Sea, which is from The Little Mermaid, which is really called Ariel. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea. What word you since life is sweet here, we got the beat here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they get the beat and start to play. One word, there are no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea.
What are you?
Is that the end?
Beat.
Very nice! Yay!